Hello everyone, this is a video tutorial from SFD Code, which is a channel specialized in coding regarding Salesforce stuff. And in this video we are going to show how to do an integration between Salesforce and Talend and host this integration in Heroku. Before everything, we are going to show our Talend job, which is pretty simple job for this post, for this example. And the only thing we do is we have a connection to Salesforce. In this connection, the user ID and the password we are using is stored in an environment variable in order we can share or reuse this job between several installations or several organizations without hard coding. And then we have a very simple CSV with one account, and with this account only one field, the name, and we will insert into Salesforce with the Talend connector. Let's check how looks the CSV. It's pretty simple. It's only name and test Talend on Heroku. Okay, with this Talend job, what we are going to do is export into a hard in order we can use in Heroku. In Heroku, we will use the Java build pack, which is the build pack able to run Java code, and as Talend compiles into a Java hard, we are going to do that. To export is pretty simple. The only thing we have to do is right-click on the job, then build job. Ensure which we use the standalone job. We have another kind of job, but for this tutorial we are going to do, and then finish. I already did that before, so with finish it will create a zip, and inside this zip we have a jar. We can check the result. Will be something like that. This is the zip. When you start the zip, you see important all the dependencies that the Talend job needs, and this jar. Okay, this in the Talend part. Now let's go to Heroku. So we have here simple Heroku project, and in this project the most important thing is we have two dynos. As we can see here, well, let's do it bigger because maybe this is small in the video. Okay, this is a proc file, which is the way that we inform to Heroku how to run the dynos, and we define two dynos. One web dyno that will be worked by this, which will be launched by this program, and another worker. Okay, so the web dyno is pretty simple. It's a web service, and this web service just will handle connection and put into a RabbitMQ queue messages when a request is done via web, and that's all. It puts a message in a queue, and the worker, is a bit more complicated. It will read the messages from the queue, and then it will start the Talend job. Okay, this is the Heroku part, and now let's see all working together. So before that, let's go to Salesforce. We have here our Salesforce destination org where we are going to insert the account. Well, all of you would be familiar with Salesforce. If not, this is a list of all the accounts we have in the system. Let's go into the all accounts, and let's go into filter. Create a new filter. Okay, name, test Talend starts with, which is the name of the account we are going to introduce. So now we save, and we don't have any account with this name. Okay, let's start to deploy our application, the Heroku, with the Talend job into Heroku. Okay, so here, first of all, begin with this. We have more posts in our channel So please check one post how to do a basic project with Java in Heroku. This is in this example we suppose that you already have installed the Heroku CLI and all the tools. Right. So this Heroku CLI allows us to logs. Okay, now we are watching the logs of the Heroku. You can start here, and let's start by let's go to start the web worker. Scale web one Dino for the web worker. Now we will see here this is starting, and let's do the same for the worker. Okay, starting. We have here in the dark blue we have the API. The cyan is the web worker, and here in green we see the worker, the web dyno, sorry, and this is the worker dyno. We see now our project is started. The web is started with the coyote waiting for connection, and the worker the same is waiting message from the queue. So we almost have everything we done. Before our project runs, we need to have the RabbitMQ add-on. I did install it before. In our post is explain step by step how to do, but we can check if we already have with this command. Heroku add-ons, and here we see we have the Postgres database as in all the Heroku projects, and we already have installed this Cloud AMQP, which is the add-on for Rabbit. So now it's pretty simple. The only thing we have to do is to call to the web service, and this will put a message in the queue, and the worker will receive this message and start the job. So no, we can use the browser. Now I'm going to use the CRL utility. Okay, we see as is received, we have the response because this is asynchronous, and we see all the work is done. Before we send the web dyno send the message to the queue, the worker receive here. Maybe again, let's going to try to do this a bit bigger. Okay. So the web dyno send a message to the queue, the worker receives this message, and then start the process. And when the process finishes, we suppose that now we have this account into our Salesforce organization. So let's refresh this view, and exactly here we have the account that has been created by Salesforce by Talend running on Heroku. So thank you very much for watching. We have a lot of posts in our website, the address of this website is in the comments into this video. So thank you for watching, and keep tuned for the next tutorial. Thank you very much. Bye bye.